Hello and good morning dear students. Welcome back to the online class. Today we are starting with a new exercise, that is exercise 1B, and which is a very important exercise for your ICSE boards. Okay. So now first we'll understand what we have done in exercise 1A. In exercise 1A we have gone through the questions like, if these are the prices and if there is a discount given to us, find the amount of the bill, isn't it? The case being intra or interstate. Okay, but out here particularly in this exercise the case will be a bit different. Okay, suppose let us see, we have a manufacturer, we have a wholesaler, and then we have the customers. Suppose ABC I've kept in this way. Okay, manufacturers manufacture some items which has been sold to the dealer, a wholesaler, and the dealer will sell to the customer. So here this type of combinations will be given to us. Suppose the selling price is given. Okay, what will be the cost price? After that he sells, obviously he will sell with some profit. So what will be his selling price and what will be the cost price of the consumer? Okay, and also with GSTs, and we know GST is calculated two types. Okay, one is intrastate and other one is interstate transactions. Okay, so we'll have to come across this type of questions in this particular exercise. Okay, so let's take our exercise 1B, question number 1, and we'll start with that question. All right, let's proceed with question number 1. Let's read the question. The question says, fill in the blanks. When the goods service are sold for rupees 15,000 from station A to station B. Okay, so basically there are three stations actually, station A, station B, and then from station B to station C. Okay, so goods are been sold from A to B under intrastate transaction. Okay, under intrastate transaction. So goods are sold from station A to station B under intrastate transaction, and the rate of GST is 12%. Okay, so we are selling the goods from station A to station B at rupees 15,000 and at the rate of 12% GST. Okay, I am selling goods from station A to station B. Okay, so write down station A, station B. In between the case is intrastate, the rate of GST is 12%, and station A, I'm selling the goods at rupees 15,000. Okay, am I clear? The selling price at station A is how much? 15,000. That's the first question. As per GST system, find selling price at station A. So selling price at station A is 15,000. Okay, what is the case? Intrastate. What is the rate of GST? 12%. So what type of GSTs will I have to find? I'll have to find CGST, I'll have to find SGST. Okay, so answer number B, CGST will be obviously 6% of 15,000. SGST will also be 6% of 15,000. Okay, you calculate, you'll be getting 900 and 900. Okay, so these are the things on station A. On station A, what is the selling price of the article? 15,000. CGST, SGST will be 900, 900. Okay, now the product has been sold from A to B. Come to part C. Cost price at station B. What will be the cost price at station B? The cost price at station B will be selling price at station A, which is 15,000, plus the cost price at station B will also be the GST. 9 plus 9, 18. So 15,000 plus 1800 will give you 16,800. Am I clear? So 16,800. Actually, this is the cost price, but including the GST, if you do, it will be 16,800. Okay. Later on, as I move ahead to question number 2, question number 3, this GST will not be included. I'll tell you why. Okay, later on. So for this question, at station B, the cost price will be 15 plus GST, which is 16,800. Okay, I hope you're clear with that. The question further says, if profit is equals to 5,000, if profit made. Now there's a guy in station A who's selling the product at 15,000. There's a guy B in station B who receives, so he buys the article at around 16,800. Now he's trying to sell the product from B to C, and he's keeping the profit as 5,000. Okay, the question says, if the profit is 5,000 at B, what is the selling price at B? This was his cost price, plus he's making a profit of 5,000. So total selling price for B will be 21,800. Okay. So now this is the case from A to B. Now the case will be from B to C. Okay. B to C, if you read the question, now the same goods are moved. The same goods are moved under interstate transaction. Now from B to C, when I do, the case is interstate transaction. Okay, at the rate of 12% GST, we need to find what is the GST and what is the cost price at station C. Okay, so please pause the video, note it down till here. Alright, further, the same goods is now been transferred or moved from station B to station C under interstate transaction with the rate of 12% as GST. Okay, now the case has been changed from intra to inter. From B to C, the case is inter. Okay, the rate is same. What was the selling price at station B? What was the selling price at station B? The selling price at station B was 21,800. Okay, what is the case? Inter. So what will be the GST? It will be only IGST because the case is inter. IGST means the whole. Okay, so we'll have to take 12% of the selling price. That is 12% of 21,800. That will give you 2,616, which will be your GST. Okay. Now the goods has been sold from B to C. So when I move to C now, what will be the cost price? The cost price at C will be 21,800 plus the GST, which is this, which will give you total as 24,416. Okay, so this kind of problems we'll have to do in this particular exercise. Am I clear? A to B, B to C. Okay, in between we'll also have to find the net GST. Okay, so those type of questions will come across. And now another important thing, wherever we see further, find the cost. Okay, find the cost of the article or the cost price of the article on this, then only we'll put the GST, otherwise we'll keep the price as the selling price only. Okay, so when I do the questions, I'll tell you. Okay, so please pause the video and note it down. All right, let's move ahead to question number 2. Question number 2 says that, okay, the question says, goods are sold from Agra to Kanpur. Goods are sold, okay, goods are sold from Agra to Kanpur, Agra UP, Kanpur also UP, for rupees 20,000. Goods are sold from Agra to Kanpur for rupees 20,000. So I'm selling the goods from Agra to Kanpur for rupees how much? 20,000. Am I clear? Then from Kanpur to Jaipur, then I am transferring the same goods from Kanpur to Jaipur. Okay, so we need to remember, or we need to know where is Agra, where is Kanpur, and where is Jaipur. Okay, Agra and Kanpur, they are the same state, so the transaction is intrastate. Kanpur and Rajasthan, they are in different states, so the case is interstate. Okay, the rate of GST is 18%. The rate of GST is 18%. So goods are sold from Agra to Kanpur at rupees 20,000, and then from Kanpur to Rajasthan. Am I clear? If the rate of GST is 18% and if the profit made on Kanpur is 5,000, if the rate of GST is 18% and profit made on Kanpur is 5,000, then you're asked to find the net GST. Net GST paid by the dealer B at Kanpur. I need to find the net GST. Now, net GST paid at Kanpur. Okay, this I need to find. Wherever we see now net GST, Wherever we see net GST out there, I'm telling you, repeating once again, okay, GST will not be included here. I cannot add GST, okay, because I am finding the net GST, because he will be paying GST to this fellow and he will be receiving GST from this person also. Okay, so here I will not be including the GST. Am I clear? As we move ahead, we'll get used to with this. Okay, now once again, let's get back to the question. Agra, Kanpur, Jaipur. Agra and Kanpur, intra, and Kanpur to Rajasthan, interstate. So please make this flow chart on your copy. Okay, from Agra to Kanpur, what is the selling price? 20,000. So what will be the cost price? Obviously 20,000. He is selling to him at 20,000. So his cost price will be 20,000 only. Remember, I am not including GST out here because here we have to calculate net. Okay. Also, this fellow, he will be now selling the same goods to the fellow in Kanpur by making a profit of 5,000. So his selling price will be rupees 25,000. I hope you're clear with this. The selling price at Kanpur will be 25,000. The cost price at Jaipur will be 25,000 plus something, because out there we are not finding the net GST. Okay, so here only we are finding the net GST. So here GST is not included. So how to find the net GST? The net GST means tax paid on the selling price minus tax charged on the cost price. For whom? We are calculating the net GST, the net tax, the net goods and service tax paid at Kanpur. So the fellow who is in Kanpur, how much tax he has to pay? So how much tax he has to pay? Use this formula. Tax paid on selling price minus tax charged on the cost price. Now, tax paid on the selling price. Now this fellow, tax paid on the selling price. Tax paid on selling price. What is the tax paid? 25,000. What is the case? Interstate. So 18% of 25,000 minus tax charged on the selling price, because he has bought the article from Agra. He has bought the article from Agra at the rate of 18% and the case was intrastate. Okay, so here it will be CGST plus IGST. So which is actually twice of 9% of 20,000. See, we are calculating net GST. So whenever we calculate net GST, the formula will be tax paid on the selling price minus tax charged on the cost price. See, if you are the person who is in Kanpur, you have to pay the GST to fellow in Agra, and you have to receive GST the fellow from Jaipur. Okay, you are paying to him and you are getting from him. Am I clear? And that difference is actually the net GST at Kanpur. Am I clear or not? Okay, so please pause the video and note it down once again. So now, tax paid on selling price means what was the case? Selling price is this. Okay, he is giving the tax to you. Okay, what was the case? Inter. What is the rate of GST? 18%. So 18% of 25,000, because the case is inter. And tax charge on the cost price. So when you're buying, the case was intra. Okay, so hence I have divided this 18 by 2. So twice, because it will be same, no? CGST plus SGST, isn't it? So 2 times of 9% of 20,000. So when I calculate this, I'll be getting the net GST at Kanpur. So please pause the video, note it down till here. Alright, so therefore 18% of 25,000 will be 4,500. 9% of 20,000 will be 1,800. 1,800 into 2 will give you 36. So 45 minus 36 will be 900. So 900 is the net GST paid by the dealer in Kanpur. Okay, because the dealer in Kanpur, he is paying tax 3,600 to Agra, and the dealer in Kanpur is receiving tax of rupees 4,500 from Jaipur. Okay, so the difference is actually the net GST. Okay, Now, how much he is receiving? How much he is receiving? 45. How much he is receiving? 4,500. So, the fellow in Jaipur, what will be his cost price? Because that's the second question. Find the cost of goods at Jaipur. So, the cost of the goods at Jaipur will be 25,000. 25,000 so he has to pay, plus what? Plus this GST also is been charged to him from him. Am I clear? So therefore plus 4,500 also he has to pay. So therefore which will give you a total of 29,500. Okay, will be the cost of the goods at Jaipur. So please pause the video, note it down till here. Alright, we'll keep this much for today. Your today's assignment will be to do question number 1, question number 2 and submit it to me by tomorrow. Thank you.